Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming your device is updated and that you know the current PIN or password. This is required to change the fingerprint lock. Once done, open Settings, navigate to Security or Biometrics, and select Fingerprint. You should remove any previously saved fingerprints you no longer need. Then wipe the sensor and temporarily remove cases or protectors that reduce contact. Now tap Add Fingerprint and get ready to follow on-screen prompts. Start with the center of your finger placed flat and steady on the sensor. You'll move through the middle stage by capturing multiple angles so the system builds a complete map of your fingerprint. Place the pad of your finger gently and lift, then repeat with the sides and tip. Vary placement to include ridges and edges. Make short, steady taps, don't rub. If prompted, adjust pressure to register different contact points. Once you've enrolled the primary finger, add a secondary finger or a second scan of the same finger to reduce false rejects when you're in a hurry or wearing a light bandage. You'll finish by confirming the fingerprint works reliably. Lock the device and test unlock in various positions and lighting. Then enable biometric unlock for apps, and if available, require the PIN on boot for extra security. Make sure timeouts and lockout rules match your preference. If the sensor fails to recognize you, try cleaning it and your finger, remove screen covers, and re-enroll the fingerprint. If problems persist, update the OS or reboot the device. These steps usually resolve driver or software issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.